Morning, everyone. It's Miss Shannon from Boys and Girls Club of Foster Elementary School. Today I'm here to lead you in a mindfulness activity. We're going to be doing a spring mindfulness activity that's called Flying Like a Bird. So I want you to find a nice, cozy spot where you can sit and have quietness for a few minutes. Now I want you to close your eyes. We're going to take a deep breath in and let it out. Deep breath in, let it out. Imagine that you're a bird flying through the sky. What can you see as you fly? Imagine the area that you're flying over. What does it look like? Are there flowers? Are there trees? Is there water or an ocean? Do you see other animals? Do you see people or cars or houses? How does what you're seeing make you feel? Are you happy? Are you sad? Do you feel peaceful and calm? Are you mad at what you're seeing? Now think of something positive you see as you're flying in the sky. Keep that thought in your head as we take a deep breath in and let it out. One more deep breath in. Deep breath out. Thanks for listening to your morning mindfulness. We'll see you soon for another one.